there's something for everyone in the Big Apple. Now you can experience all things seltzer.
Seltzer. Huh.
At the Brooklyn Seltzer Museum and Factory.
There's a museum for that. It's a family business that's the one like, it's the only one like it in North America, and they're gearing up for the big event that is later this month. Our very own Crystal Young, she is live in Cypress Hills, Brooklyn, showing us around. A lot of people didn't know there was a Seltzer Museum, Crystal.
You know what? You can add me to that list, but this place is making me smile. It's so cool. And I have to show you one of these old bottles. It is so freaking heavy. This is empty. Apparently, I am told that a chiropractor is a seltzer man's best friend because these bottles are so heavy. I'm going to slide over to someone who is already waiting for me and smiling. This is Kenny Gomberg. He's third generation in a seltzer family, and your son is next to you and your grandson. So just talk to me a little about the family history.
Well, my grandfather came over in the early 1900s. He started a seltzer out in 1939. He was part of a co-op, and then he broke free from the co-op and opened up his own business, Gomberg Seltzer Works, in 1953 in the Canarsie section of Brooklyn.
Okay.
And my father Pacey ran it, my uncle Leo, and then myself and my brother-in-law Irv. And now Alex has taken over the reins.
I like it.
I'm retired now, and Alex is running the business.
Okay, so let me slide on over to Alex running the business. Alex, talk to me about all these bottles and where they go, because I understand that people get seltzer deliveries from you guys.
Exactly. So we deliver the old-fashioned bottles to homes, bars, restaurants, and the style of business is similar to the milkman, right? So you get a case of 10 bottles delivered to your home. We pick up the empties, bring them back here, wash them, and then we use 100-year-old machinery to fill close to the 100-year-old bottles.
Got you. So I should mention that this is a working business that is attached to the museum. It's all one. So if you stick around in the 9 o'clock, we're going to do just museum. But right now, I want you to show me how to fill a bottle. Is that what's happening?
Well, the machines aren't on yet because we're not even started. But these are century-old machines, and they're Barnett and Foster machines. They're made from London. Make lots of interesting, noisy sounds, but they work, and they fill all of our bottles. Each bottle is put in individually upside down inside the machine. As this barrel roller engages with the trigger of the bottle, it adds seltzer into the seltzer bottle, and then you get a product just like that you could spray into a glass and drink, and it's good.
All right. I believe you. Okay, I want to slide over to 10-year-old Aiden. He is picking up the slack on the family business. Come on over, Aiden. Aiden is a Mets fan, and we're going to put you to work this morning. But first, I want to know, how do you feel about being part of the family biz, Aiden?
I feel like I'm going to make, way more...
What? Way more business. How about that?
Business, yeah.
Oh, okay. And I understand that there was a Brooklyn Seltzer Fest last year, and you were a judge, and you were fabulous.
Yeah, I love tasting all the egg creams.
Oh, okay. All right, you're a 10-year-old egg cream expert.
Yep.
Yes, okay. All right, so this is what we're going to do. I want you to grab a seltzer bottle. Your dad is going to help you. Our camera guy is going to go behind a screen. Now, this is very interesting because this is one of the things that people can do when they come here and they take a tour and they're checking out the business and the museum. Okay, so I want you to go for it, Aiden. Help him go for it.
Hit it.
I'm going to toss it back inside. I'm going to have more fun in the 9 o'clock hour. You'll see old relics that are part of New York City's seltzer history. This is a fun place in Brooklyn. You got to come down and bring your kids. All right, for now, I'm going to toss it back inside to both of you, Rosanna and Dan.
Will everybody get to squirt the seltzer if they come to the museum, Crystal?
Crystal, I don't know if I want you to bring one back here.
Yes, you
She's
will.
talking already about spraying it all over the place. Thank you.
You know what, Dan? Be careful. I'm going to bring one for each of your kids, and maybe y'all can have some fun in the backyard.
All right. Now we're talking.
Right?
Thank you, Crystal.